Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2019 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.